In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on watch page ads in YouTube Studio. If you want to monetize your content more effectively, enabling watch page ads is an important step. This setting allows ads to appear on your video watch pages, which can help you generate revenue from both current and future uploads, depending on the options you choose. The good news is that the setup process is very quick, and once you know where to look, it's easy to manage. To get started, open YouTube Studio and make sure you're signed into the correct channel. YouTube Studio is the control center for your channel, where you manage content, analytics, monetization, and other important settings. Once you're inside, look for the Earn tab. This is where YouTube groups together the monetization features available for your channel. After you open the Earn tab, find the monetization options section and click on Watch Page Ads. This area is specifically for controlling the ad settings that apply to your video watch pages. If your channel is eligible for monetization, this option should be available and ready to configure. Next, click Turn On. At this point, YouTube may ask you to review and accept the monetization terms. Take a moment to read through the terms carefully so you understand how the feature works and what policies apply. Once you're ready, accept the terms to continue. This step is necessary before YouTube can begin serving ads through this setting. After that, you'll be asked to choose your default ad types. You'll typically see options like display ads, overlay ads, skippable video ads, and non-skippable video ads. These are the default formats YouTube can use when showing ads on eligible content. In general, leaving multiple ad types selected can give YouTube more flexibility to place ads where appropriate, but your final choice should match your content strategy and viewer experience. Finally, apply these settings to your existing videos and your future videos if that option is available. This can save time because you won't need to manually adjust each upload one by one. It also helps keep your monetization settings consistent across your channel. Once everything is applied, your watch page ads setting will be active. That's all it takes. If you found this helpful, you can revisit the Earn tab anytime to review or update your ad preferences as your channel grows.